with your past love. So my dear, your future will be bright. Try to
Collins thinks he can mess with me. I'm patiently waiting for him to crawl out from his hole, then boom! I will expose him. I will expose you, Collins. I will tell the world that you're behind your kidnap. I'm patiently waiting for you. And as for that Tessie, I hope she doesn't tell Dad that she saw the phone in my car, because she's so big-mouthed. I pray she doesn't tell them she found it in my car. I hope and I pray. Collins, you think you can extort from my father? No way. I am smarter than you. I am way smarter than you, Collins. I am way smarter than you. I know you planned all this. I know you're the mastermind behind all this. But not to worry.
remember they say only the end justifies the mission. You can run, but you can't hide away. You can run, but you can't hide away. You might have forgotten.
I don't know, but I think someone is inside the house. Someone is inside, but I don't know.
Hey, somebody inside this house.
Yes, someone's inside.
House where Oga and Madam no there at all. 9 persons gather mind. Gather all the liberty to enter inside this house. Hey, Chineke. One them, I am going to kill somebody's child alive today. Them,
Come with me, let's go now. Let's go.
Calm down.
Papa, what are you doing now? Let's go inside. Come, let's go.
Chelo, the lad was dangerous. I am only taking precaution. I have to strategize. Gather all the muscle and power to deal with an idiot that is inside there.
Why, baby? Let's go. Come and see. Come.
Wait, calm down. Just calm down. Put away.
I must say you're damn beautiful. I wish I can make you mine.
Mr. Brown, I am a married woman.
Married woman. You know I can take good care of you. That guy doesn't deserve you.
Did you bring me here to talk down on my marriage?
I'm sorry if you feel offended. I'm so sorry.
You said over the phone that you have a proposal for me.
Yes.
Okay. You have to be fast about it, because I have another appointment.
Can't you just relax?
Mr. Brown, the proposal.
Alright, the proposal. Aside from petrochemical business, you once told me that your father deals on computer laptops and accessories.
Correct.
I have 3 containers of laptops and accessories that will arrive in this country in 3 months' time. I don't know if your father will be interested to do business with me.
I can't speak for my father, but I will discuss this with him and see if he's interested.
I will want you to help me convince your father. 10% of each of the containers will go to your account.
$20.
Adora. 15%.
20 or no deal.
Alright, deal.
and drop it there. Thank you. It's okay. It's okay. Why have you not asked me of the kidnap since I returned 3 days ago?
How much did you make from the deal? What was your share?
What deal are you talking about?
Collins. You know you can fool everyone but not me. You know I am way smarter than you are. I know you planned this whole kidnap. I know you are the mastermind behind it. You did it just so you could extort money from my father, Collins. But guess what? I will expose you.
Are you actually accusing me of faking my own kidnap? Huh? Okay. Prove it.
I will prove it. Bet me. I will prove it, and when I do, you will pay double for all the trauma you've put everyone through.
Where's my phone? I know you have my phone and you're pretending not to see it.
I'll get lost.
Where is my phone?
Remember they say only the end justify the mission.
It's okay.
You can run, but you can't hide away.
Yes, coming.
Doctor. Sorry, doctor, but I'm disturbing you. I came to beg. Please.
Sir, like I said before, you cannot continue treating your wife until you make another deposit of 40,000. Look, things are very expensive now.
Doctor, please. Commence the treatment. Just give me time to raise the money. I will. Please.
These things are not in my hands. I'm only a worker here. And I don't want to lose my job.
Hey, doctor, I want you to understand me. There's nowhere I can get the money now.
Oh, I wish I can help, sir. I'm very sorry.
Hi. Hello. Hello.
Sorry.
Hi.
Still sending messages. What did she send this time? Our mother is still in the hospital. You haven't seen anything yet. Your mother will rot in that hospital. By the way, where do they expect him to get the money from? Hey, it boils down to my father's money, right? These leeches want to suck my father dry, but it's not gonna happen. I have to delete these messages. Your mother will rot in that hospital. Delete. Let me delete this other one. Imagine, 8 messages. Where do you expect him to get the money from? 80,000. The other one is 60,000. 44,000. For one person. For an old woman. It's alright. I'm waiting for one you. It's okay.
Where's my phone? Where's my phone? Can I have my phone? I need to call my people. It's been long I spoke with them last. Can I have my phone now? And I am talking to you.
Collins, I have told you this 1,000 times. I do not have your phone. How else do you want me to explain this?
Ada, the thing is that I don't want to get angry. Please. I need to make a call now. Okay? Please, can I have my phone? I know you have it.
I don't know how else you want me to say this. Collins, I do not have your phone. You can't be so sure.
Ada, I don't want to get angry. Be cool.
If you like, I really do not care. But all I'm saying is that I do not have your phone. I don't know where else
You have my phone. Can I have it now?
Where else can I possibly keep your phone in this house? You've ransacked the whole house, yet you can't find your phone. So why are you bent on disturbing my peace?
Ransack yourself and bring out my phone.
I do not have your phone.
Ada, how much can I me will? Can I have my phone, please? Ha.
I do not have your phone.
You're not going anywhere till I get my phone. You're not leaving this room.
Or else you do what? Beat me.
Okay, you want to know what I'll do?
Do you want to beat me? Collins, beat me! I do not have your phone. Beat me! Beat me! What? I'll call my father.
Where's my phone?
It is high time I called my father into
Where's my
this.
phone?
I do not have your phone.
Where's my phone?
Collins, I do not have your phone.
Where's my phone?
You should have let me go. I really want to talk to brother. He has not called us to know how we are doing all this while.
You see, my daughter, it has not gotten to that. Let me go. I will talk to him as a father, and I believe he will listen to me.
Papa, are you sure you are going to locate their house? You have not been there after their wedding.
But I'm not a small boy now. At least I will be able to locate that place. Please, just look after your mother. I will come back just tomorrow. Each year, I will be here.
I beg you, Papa. Just go away. Be safe.
Thank you, my daughter. Biko, take care of my wife. I mean your mother.
Papa, take care of yourself.
All right. Okay.
Papa, be safe.
Thank you.
Please, don't let him for me. Please.
Utaba.
Oga.
Open the gate.
Yes, Oga.
Let me have the car keys.
I don't understand. Meaning?
What don't you understand? Let me have the car key.
I am using the car.
I am going out with the car much later in the day. And please, next time, ask questions. Utaba!
Madam.
Close that gate. No one leaves this compound until I say so.
Adora.
What?
If you close that gate, I'll keep you here. Give me that.
Otaba, I employed you, so your loyalty lies with me.
Oh, one them.
Close that gate.
Oh, that person make I no close am, madam.
Try me.
Oh,
Try me.
Oh, madam, person make I close am. Make I close am.
No, try me.
God, I am finished. Oh, no, what I go do again now? Hey! God!
Close that gate. No one leaves this compound until I say so.
No one them.
My father owns this building, okay? Close the gate. You want to struggle to keep? Is it your car? My father bought the car. Is it your car? Did you buy anything? Did you even buy the tires?
Okay, don't close up.
Please.
What's that rubbish you displayed out there?
What
was that?
What?
Can I have the car key?
Which car key? You keep saying, can I have the car key? Can I have the car key? Which car key are we talking about here? The one you bought or the one my father bought?
Adora.
Whatever my father bought is automatically mine. And this car happens to be one of them.
Adora, you're stepping on my toes.
Which of the toes? Those chicken toes, my friend.
Adora, can I have the key? I'm late to where I'm going to.
Oh, okay.
Adora.
That's fine. Take a cab. I'm going out with my car.
Your car?
Oh yes, my car. You keep asking your car, your car, your car. Collins, yes, it is my car. My father's car is automatically mine. Yes! Okay, tell me, what did you bring to the table? Or what have you brought to the table since you married me? Did you come in here with a tire? No. You keep asking me which car? Collins, my father's car is mine. And I am going out with it. End of story. Take a cab. Your mates are the ones running Uber and the rest.
Wait, Collins, you mean your wife took the car key and went with the car immediately? Just like that? I mean, this is unlike her.
Do you know that she's accusing me of masterminding my own kidnap?
What?
She said I did that just to extract money from her father.
Why would she say a thing like that? I mean, why would you want to kidnap yourself?
My wife has actually reduced me to nothing before her people. Yes, before the kidnap. I mean, my phone mysteriously disappeared. I asked her and she said that she doesn't know where my phone is. But I knew that she collected that phone, but she was denying it.
Have you told her people about it?
Yes.
So what did the father say?
The father believed me, but his daughter is still denying it.
Listen, Collins, you have to open your third eyes and find out where things went wrong. I mean, this is unlike her. Why would she be accusing you for nothing?
I had a terrible dream about my father. And I can't just contact them because of my phone.
In that case, you need to travel.
Travel? With what? I have no dime with me. Those guys collected everything from my account. They emptied me.
Try to make peace with
This
your
is
past
serious.
life. So my dear, try your future will be bright. Try to make peace with your past life. So my dear, your future will be bright. Try to make peace with your past life. So my dear, your future will be bright. Try to make peace with your past life. So my dear, your future will be bright. Remember they say only the end just fine. miss you. You can run, but you can't hide away. You can run, but you can't hide away. You might have forgotten so fast, but you can't change the nature. Ooh. That's right. You're trying.
Collins, are you telling me the truth?
Yes, I'm telling you the truth. I'm not lying to you. I'm now an object of ridicule to my woman, the woman I called my wife.
I can't believe this. Collins of all people, a ridicule. I mean, what is going on? What has come over her?
That's the same question I've been asking myself, but I refuse to get the answer. My wife is now threatening me with her father's property.
Did I hear you say her father's property?
Yeah, the car, the house, everything her father owns. She's now threatening me with everything. She now sees me as a failure.
Is her father aware of all this?
I've not really told her father.
Why?
Tony, I'm ashamed of myself. How am I going to report that kind of case to the father? The world will laugh at me because I married for money.
Collins, this is not the point. This is not the point. You are a man, for God's sake. You have to stand on your ground.
As far as that house is concerned, I have no grounds there. You know, Rita cannot treat me like that. She loved me. But I disappointed her.
Collins, we are not talking about Rita here. We are talking about your marriage. You have to find out where things went wrong and fix it. Adora used to be a nice lady. No, we are not here for Rita's issue.
My wife, how are you?
I asked a question which demands an answer. So go straight to the point.
I don't understand.
Oga, why are you in my compound?
Hey, I came to see my son. My wife has been in the hospital, and the hospital requires more money. So I came so that he can give me some money so that they will continue the treatment of my wife.
Is that so? My house has become a money-making machine. Otaba!
Madam!
Throw him out of my house.
Throw what? Throw me out from my son's house.
Eh? Hold it there. Did I hear you say your son's house? Hey, Collins! Did you just mention Collins? Listen to me. Collins would never, not even in his next world, dream of owning a building like this. Your son's house. Oh, is that you people's plan? Oh, that is what you guys are planning. To kill me and take over my father's property. Throw him out of this house! Are you dead?
Authority has been given to me. Otaba get my general. Oga, don't let me show myself. You know go good.
Otaba, or whatever you call yourself. Where is my son? I want to see my son.
Okay, can I ask a question? You're still asking questions. Madam, don't talk and say make you dey go. Diana, come dey go now. See, don't make me change myself, give you. Don't make me show myself for you. Madam, don't talk and come dey go. Respect your life. Yeah, respect your bro, but not just I'm going to stop you. No matter who I fuck it up. I jack you. You might attack the phone. Yeah. This one, leave you. Okay. Respect yourself now and go. Okay, go. Go!
Hurry up, my friend. Now listen to me. The next time you let in a leech like that into my compound, then consider yourself fired.
Hey!
Idiot.
Madam.
And stop being a nuisance. Shut up. Go back to your duty post.
All right. Madam, I'm sorry.
Such a nuisance. The next time I see a leech like that in my house, consider yourself fired. What nonsense. His son's house. From where? Where? How? You want to come and take over my father's property? I'm waiting for you.
Atulu mule kune bakawa. Atulu mule kune bakawa. Atulu mule kune bakawa. Atulu mule kune bakawa.
Are you feeling it? Are you feeling it? This is my car. This is my car. I told you guys I will make it. I have made it. That is my brand new car. I told you all I will make it. Huh? Are you feeling me now? Are you feeling me now, Father? You have a white Benz, I have a white Ford. White and white, plus your mustache, white. Are you happy for me? Father, are you not happy for me?
Where did you get this car?
Oh, really? That is my baby car. White baby Ford. Brand new car. Huh? Be proud of me, Dad. Be proud of me because I'm proud of you.
Get away from me.
Father, Mom, can you see? You see? I told you this man, enemy of progress, enemy of EP. That's who you are. I will buy another car in this house. I will keep buying cars. I love cars. I love cars. Babe, you like my car?
So you mean that's your new car?
My new brand car, my new baby. Good for me, right? Good for me. You heard him.
So you mean this is your new car?
Brand new. Come see inside. Come and see inside. Sis, come. Let's pop champagne. You see, My car is beautiful, right? I told you I will make it. I told you all that I will make it. I have made it. Oh God! Brand new car! Brand new car! I have made it! I made it! I made it! It's about to get ugly here! Everybody! I have made it! I have made it! I have made it! Everybody! I have made it! I told you I will make it, right? I have made it! Come inside, come and see. Oh! Oh! Brand new! Brand new! Brand new!
Let's put on our thinking cap. Have you asked yourself where this boy got all the money he was spending? Someone who just came back barely a few days ago with nothing. Boom! He bought a car.
Honey, there is no need to get yourself worked up. He is still our son. There is no harm in finding out where he got the money from. You can ask him.
Don't do that to yourself. Ask him, he's your son.
Are you not denying him? Is he not your blood?
If that boy does not take his time, I will disown him.
Mom, Dad, where did Kevin get all that money he's spending in the compound?
Ask that to your brother. Ask that to your brother where he got all the money he's throwing about. Because I will disown him. Nonsense.
Mom, don't mention me, please. Please, I'm not in that mood. Please.
Are you now upset?
Boy, have fun now. You promised sending me the money today. What happened? And you say you go send them today now, but you didn't send it. Are you sending the money today for me? So when are you sending the money for me? Today. Are you sure? Okay. No problem, I'm still waiting. Please don't fail, oh. Alright. Thanks, bro. Thanks.
Good afternoon, my son.
Good afternoon, sir. How may I help you?
Please, my son, I am stranded. I need some money to go back to the village.
You don't understand. You're stranded. You need some money to go back to your village. So how does it concern me?
You see, I came to see my son, but the wife asked the gate man to throw me out from the house. So I need some money to go back to my village.
Mr. Man, I don't know you from anywhere. I cannot give you my money. I can't give you my money. Didn't you call your son before start coming?
Just small money, let me use it and go back.
I asked a simple question. Didn't you call him?
You will not understand.
Excuse me.
Hi. Okay, see me na obodo. O kan si je o. Ke kan si ana, m ga-eji ụkwụ na obodo. Huh? Aga m ejizi ụkwụ na obodo.
What of my wife? Has it been long she drove out?
He never tell where she come up for this compound. But he get one old man wey come here provoke madam. Now madam change her follow am. Ha!
Old man?
Old man, no! Madam change her follow am immediately. Say make I throw this man, carry am for head, jack am like this. Throw am come up for this compound. Say if I no drop, say she go sack me.
Hold on. The old man, what is he looking for? Why is he looking for me?
I don't know. The man talk say he won't see my oga. Now madam change am immediately. Ha! Oh, one them.
Anyway, I don't know of any old man around. Was that why you stopped me?
Oga, no verse. I just say make I tell you.
It's okay, no problem.
Oga, I beg make you no verse. Get wetin I say make I tell you.
What
It's
is
very
it?
important. Darling, I hope say you know the verse. So. But I say make I tell you, say, you see this man waiting for heaven. Ha! Trust in him. Trust in him. It go better for you. Eh, Allah. Now me tell you that.
Otaba, thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you.
No one them. Now gonna better person. Better person. Yeah? This man, trust in him. Yeah? He make things impossible to be possible. He changes things and make our ways for us. If we hear. Some people will not say Otaba don't get sense. I get his sense, yo. I get his sense. Yeah? So trust in him. This man is ready to change your life. Or change your mind, you know that one way. I don't know.
I will go to the city, make money, come and marry you. And one love more. This is my promise. I will go to the city, make money, come and marry you. And one love more. This is my promise. I will go to the city, make money, come and marry you. And one love more. This is my promise. I will go to the city, make money, come and marry you. And one love more. This is my promise. My promise. My promise. Love more. Love more. This is my promise. Love more. For better for worse. My promise. I promise you. Love more. Love, baby. I will never leave, nor forsake you.
Where is my phone? I've searched the whole place. Where's my phone? What's going on?
What are you looking for?
Where's my phone? Huh? I've searched everywhere, I cannot find my phone. Why are you holding my phone? You've held it for so long now. I want to make use of it. Please, can I have it? Can I?
Are you done ranting? Are you done ranting? Good. Did you ask Amara to prepare noodles for you?
Oh yes, I did.
And why didn't you seek my permission first?
Oh, I'm supposed to seek your permission before I...
Yes! You should seek my permission first because I bought those foodstuffs with my hard-earned money. You contributed nothing. Nothing, Collins. All you are interested in are food, drinks, and sex. Yet you call yourself a man.
Adora.
What?
Adora, listen, mind the way you talk to me. I'm your husband.
Yeah, right.
Who is the old man that came looking for me? I'm asking you.
Oh, mine. Otaba has told him.
Adora, I am talking to you. She doesn't want to talk about this old man. I think I have to find out why she doesn't want to talk. But who's that old man?
It's getting late and my father is not yet back. I've been calling his number and he's not taking my calls. I hope he has not missed his way.
Excuse me, nurse, the doctor wants to see you immediately.
Nurse, I hope there's no problem. Nurse! Why is her face like that? Let me get my father on phone first. Let him answer my call.
Nurse. The doctor wants to see you right now. You need to come with me.
Is anything the matter?
Please come with me. Come.
Nurse, you're not telling me anything. Nurse. My bad, apologies. I ought to have called you before now, but I've been busy. So the good news is, my father has agreed to do business with you. Yes. He said I should bring you to the office. So both of you can take it off from there. Yeah, which day works for you? Yes, exactly. Tell me what works for you so I'll revert back to him. Okay? No. It's your call. Like I said, which day works for you?
What is it? What is it?
Nothing. It's fine.
How do you mean?
Just,
nothing.
It's okay, I'm fine.
No, you're not fine. You were screaming and running like you saw a ghost.
Did I scream? Did I? I didn't notice I screamed.
What are you up to?
Did I scream?
Yes, you did.
Chimo!
What? Collins! This guy up to? This guy is into some shady business. You shouldn't use me for ritual. Collins, why are you screaming?
I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna okay. Ginika one little, a little okay. Mananka Diego. I told him oh, Papa, come on. All the parents effort to better your life was in vain. Prodigal son.
Jay-Z! I be smart to the mix. I'm busy, yeah. Okay. Dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. Baby, dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. The way she dance, the way she push, she make me wine, wine, wine. The way she dance, the way she move, she make me wine, wine, wine. Dance, let me see this. Take up the same tall, let me see this. Give her instrumental, let me see her dance. Even though she don't want. me all the days. We always this. Take it to the left, to the right, before let me show you how we do it.
Hey, welcome to my house.
Yeah, baby.
Welcome to my house.
Yeah, boo.
I am the only one that makes money rain. Rain and rain and rain.
That's my baby.
Oh yeah. I told you, baby. I told you I make it rain. I make it rain everywhere.
Yeah, I can see.
You can see it now. You're in my house and I'm still making it rain.
You the real G man.
I'm the real G man. I like that. Mom.
What have I done to you?
Oh, Mom, I'm sorry. My bad. My bad. Forgive me.
Mom, my eyes cannot be deceiving me. This is the same girl he was dancing with in the streets in the afternoon.
Oh, you saw us. Wolf. You saw us. All right. Mommy, let me do the proper introduction right now that you've seen this, my beautiful girl. Baby, are you ready for this introduction?
Yeah, baby, loud.
Are you ready for this introduction?
Baby,
are you ready for this introduction?
Baby.
All right, Mom. This is my woman. My 002 because I'm the 001. Baby.
Oh my gosh.
Honey boo.
Baby.
The big eye baby. The pinky panta panta. The pinky panta panta. All right, this is my mom.
Oh, good afternoon, Mama.
I don't know why her face is like this. Maybe she just finished eating beans. That's her favorite food.
Baby, you're right.
Yeah. So this is my mom, okay?
Calvin!
Peter, say hello to her.
Calvin!
Hey, shut up your mouth. Say mommy, not mama.
Sorry, Mommy.
Yeah, mommy. Mom.
Calvin.
Yeah, Mom.
I want to see you inside.
Inside? All right, inside it is then. Let's go. I told you she would like you.
No! Stop it.
Mom, what is it?
She can't come inside.
Why?
I want to talk to you inside.
Why, Mom? But she's my girl. She's the woman I want to get married to. Forget about this her eyeballs, okay? This is natural. I want to get married to her.
After speaking with you inside, she can come in.
Okay, Mom, no problem. Fine and good. But promise me that after talking to you inside, she will come inside with me.
I want to see you inside. Come.
Is that a promise? Hey, Mom! 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 I'm not coming inside. You have to promise me that after speaking with me, she will come inside. Mom! Babe. Okay, just chill here, all right? Enjoy yourself, huh?
Okay, babe.
Wiggle it, wiggle it, wiggle it, wiggle it. All right, I'll be back. I'll be back in a jiffy. Hold the car keys, babe.
Yeah.
Enjoy yourself, huh?
Thank you.
I'll be back.
All right, I'm still long, babe.
No, a minute or two. Don't mind your business.
Still of that.
Don't mind your business. Always prognosing my affair. Get out from there! Oh my God! Oh my God! Why are you stressing me, Mom? Huh? Why are you stressing me?
Calvin.
Why are you stressing me?
Calvin!
Why are you stressing me?
Go out there and take that thing out of this compound immediately.
Why? Why? That is impossible. I can never tell my girl to leave this house. It is impossible. Why can't you guys allow me to enjoy my peace in this house? Why can't I live my life? Why can't I be free? Why can't I enjoy myself in this house?
Don't dare me. What, you want to dare me?
I want to dare you.
You want to dare me?
I want to dare you, Mom. What is it? I left the white man's land. I come to this goddamn country and I can't enjoy my life. Why can't I enjoy my life? She is going nowhere.
Go and take that thing out of this compound before your father comes back.
Really? Oh, really? Really? Oh, really? You got married to that man. This old man is married to you. Did I stop you? No. He paid your dowry. Did I stop you? No. You guys enjoyed yourself. Did everything for love. And right now, my girl is outside there. A girl I want you to see as my wife. A girl I will get married to in no time. And yet you can accept her. Why can't you accept her?
That thing you brought in here can never be my daughter-in-law.
She will be your daughter-in-law.
She can't be my
She will be
daughter-in-law.
your daughter-in-law.
Calvin, she can't be my
She
daughter-in-law.
will be your daughter-in-law.
Don't dare me.
I will dare you, Mom.
Calvin!
Mom!
Calvin!
Mom!
Calvin!
Mom!
Don't dare me.
I will dare you, Mom.
Don't dare me, Calvin.
I am daring you already.
Don't dare me.
I must dare you. A girl that I'm enjoying. A girl that I want to. Yet you don't want me to enjoy myself. I will dare you, Mom. Watch me dare you, Mom.
Dare me.
Watch and see, Mom.
Dare me.
Dare me too.
Dare me.
Dare me, Mom.
Calvin, dare me.
Dare me too. Dare me, Mom. Dare me too. Dare me, Mom. Dare me too. Their school.
What else do you want? What else do you want? Prodigal son.
Who the hell are you to ask me such questions? Do I look that cheap to you? Hold on a minute. Are you shouting at me in my own father's house? Yes! You started it! Wait, is it because I am here? Bitch! Me? Yes, you stupid! No, are you mad? Are you out of your mind? You're calling me a bitch in my own father's house. What? You just slapped me. You have some guts. Yes, you do. If you try that next time, I will so deal with you. Are you stupid? Don't try it again. Are you mad? You don't watch before you talk? You slapped me. No, you don't watch before you talk.
Who slapped who?
Try it.
Hey! Who slapped who here?
Your sister just slapped me.
What? You slapped my table tennis eyes? Oh my goodness! Is it paining you? Huh? Are you okay?
I'm feeling bad.
Did she touch your eyes?
Yeah!
Ah! I will slap you!
What's them?
Why did you touch my baby's eyes?
You didn't teach her any manners. Why would she come to my own father's house to call me a bitch? I just slapped you. The next time, I'm going to break off your neck.
Oh my good babe, are you okay?
I am not.
You're not okay, right?
No.
Your eyes are affected?
Yes.
I will slap her back. Slap her back.
How dare you? How dare you?
Mom, you're doing too much in this house. Honestly speaking, you're doing too much in this house. Warn your daughter. I will kill her one day. I'm not joking here.
Kevin, if you dare touch my girl again, I will kill this idiot you brought in here. Now, take her out of this compound.
Mom, you called my girl an idiot?
If she's not an idiot, why would she lay her filthy hands on my girl?
Oh, really? So this is a gang up now? Huh? Goodness! Why am I in this country? Tell me, oh Lord, what am I doing in this country? Why did I come back to this goddamn country, this hot, nothing good country? Why am I here? You guys are ganging up against me, right? No problem. I will deal with both of you. Ugly looking bitches. Babe.
Do not babe me. Your sister just slapped me and you are here calling me babe. Kelvin, take me out of here. Take this idiot out of here.
Yeah, slap me back. Slap me back. Let me pay for our sins. Slap me back. Slap me back. Let me pay for our sins. Devil in his eyes. Slap me back. Devil in his eyes. Slap me back. Let me pay for our sins. Devil in his eyes. You don't want to slap me? Let's move there. I will go on this house. Let me drop my devil in his baby. Slap me back. Let me pay for our sin. Slap me back. Slap me back. No, don't slap me. No, don't slap me. Slap me back. What are you doing here? Open the gate. You can't open the gate. Open the gate. You can't open the gate. Who brought this amateur? Who brought this amateur here? Huh? Open the gate. Always delaying me. Always wasting my time. You stay one place. Stay one place. Don't move. Slap me back, babe. Slap me back. That's why I'm unfortunate. Somebody wants to die. Somebody wants to
all the parents' effort to better your life was in vain. Prodigal son. What else do you want? What else do you want?
My daughter, well done.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Very fine, sir.
Please, I'm a little stranded. You see, I came from the village to see my son, but my son's wife will not allow me to see my son. As I'm talking to you now, I don't have enough money to pay my way back to the village. If there's any way you can assist me.
Oga, beg, your time plenty. I don't see until see my market. I never sell since money. This thing roll I do. I need stop and I beg.
Listen attentively. I have your daughter with me. I give you 2 days to pay 200 million naira ransom or say goodbye to her forever. Contacting or reporting to the police will worse the matter because I will collect the ransom and still kill her. Get the money ready.
So my mother is dead. Brother must explain why he switched off his phone all this while. So his wife did not tell him that he visited. Papa, brother is responsible for my mother's death.
Don't conclude yet until we hear from him.
Papa, Collins is very, very wicked. He purposely switched off his phone. You cannot tell me otherwise, Papa. He cannot deny it. He can't.
I'm having the feeling that it is not well with your brother's marriage. All is not well with your brother's marriage. It could be that his wicked wife did not tell him that I visited.
Papa, it's a lie. It's a blatant lie. I am going to the city, and when I get there, I will spare no one. Him and his wife must pay for my mother's death. Papa, he must.
Oh.
What is wrong? What is going on? Something about you has changed. Something about you has changed. Earlier today you were screaming and running around the house. You were running and screaming on top of your voice.
Until I see my phone, I have no answer to your question.
Really? Really? Do you honestly think I do not know what you're up to? Is that what you think? Is that what you think, Collins? You see this evil you've gotten yourself into? It will consume you. And you will be exposed at the end of the day.
It's you. It's you that will be exposed. Soon.
Me. What do I have to hide? What is it? What is it? What is it do you want to expose, for crying out loud? I am not you. I am not the one running and screaming like a lunatic. You are the one. But I assure you that this evil will haunt you up until you die.
I will not die. Nothing will happen to me. If that is your plan, you want me to die so you switch to another man. It will not happen. What is wrong with you? All of a sudden you change.
You have the answer to that question. Useless man.
Useless woman. I thought you have sense. But I didn't know that you're senseless. You're just a senseless human being.
Did you just call me names?
Yes. That is what you are. Useless woman.
What?
Wait.
Wait, what? What will you do? Slap me back? Go on, Collins, slap me back.
Slap me.
Try it and see if my father will not lock you and throw the keys. Try it! No. Try it, Collins, go on. Go ahead. Go ahead and try it. And see if my father will not lock you up and throw the keys into the ocean.
will never leave, nor forsake you, my dear love. I will
You're sitting
only
up to
go
slap
the
me.
city,
You would have
make
tried
money
it.
and come.
What has come over? What has come over this girl? We've been living in peace. All of a sudden, she changed. How did you do something else? Oh, God. Oh. Oh, God. Oh. What is it? What are you doing here? Why are you scaring me? What have I done to you? I am not responsible for your death. What is it?
There will be no peace for you until my soul rests in peace.
What now? Do I have a hand in your death?
You killed me.
I did not kill you. Just leave me alone and go away.
You will have no peace.
Just go away.
You will never have peace.
Go away and stop telling me this. Go away and leave me alone.
You
Go
will
away.
never have peace.
Just go away. I don't have any business with you. Just leave me alone. What's it?
Another display of madness. So tell me, who are you talking to this time? Your occultic master?
I wasn't talking to no one. I was just
Your occultic master.
singing.
I, Adora, will expose you. I will expose you. No, keep talking. Carry on, keep talking. But I will expose you. I will expose you. Keep talking.
You're happy now, right? Wherever you are, you're happy now. See what you're causing. See what you're causing. Why are you stressing my life? What's your problem?
Dad, this is Mr. Brown. My friend I told you that's got a container of computers, laptops, and phone accessories coming in no distant time. Mr. Brown, meet my handsome dad. Ever young, he's the CEO of Williams Petrochemical Industry.
It's a pleasure to meet you, sir.
Same here. Welcome, young man.
Your daughter has told me a lot about you. You're indeed a good man. And I promise, I will give you my containers at a cheaper price.
So when are we expecting your containers into the country?
Precisely 3 weeks from now. But you need to make at least half of the payment to enable me to process everything. And that payment serves as a commitment.
Well, I cannot put my money in any goods that I have not set my eyes on. That's absurd. It doesn't sound right.
Dad, trust me on this. Mr. Brown here is a genuine businessman. I can vouch for him.
Oh, well, let's keep our fingers crossed. Young man, I'll get back to you.
I'll be expecting to hear from you, Chief.
Dad, how is work?
Oh, well, we're battling with high rate of inflation.
I know.
We strive to stay afloat.
Who be that? Give me all these things, yeah? Now I won't enjoy my evening here. First you go call the knock, they disturb me. Huh? What kind of life is this? Now I hide my drink. And that was my bread. You want the person to go trouble for me? What did that mean? What did he not? Who are you? Who are you?
Vera. Vera. Vera, what is it? Are you okay?
I am here to thank you for contributing to Mama's death.
What happened to Mama?
You're asking me. Mama is dead.
Vera, stop that. Stop it.
I should stop what? You are heartless. You are. Papa was here to see you and your wife drove him out. And you came out to ask what happened. Now, Mama is dead. Are you happy now? Okay, let me tell you. Papa was stranded because of he had no money to come back to the village.
Mama's dead?
Yes, she's dead.
Tell me you're joking.
I am not joking. I am not. Are you happy now? Are you? Nonsense. Don't come back to the village. Don't come back to the village because you will see what I'll do to you. You are wicked. Nonsense. If you come close to me, then you will hate me.
Yeah. Try to make peace with your past life. So my dear, try your future will be bright. Try to make peace with your past life.
Young lady, this is the last opportunity. Are you now ready to tell me the truth? Like I told you before, only truth can set you free.
I've been telling you the truth. I did not steal Chief's money. I have never stolen before in my life.
But you are the only one who have access to chief office. True of us.
True.
Then how can you now convince me that you don't know about the missing money? Tell me the truth. Where is the money?
He said he will kill me if I say the truth.
Who?
He will kill me. He will kill me.
Trust me. Nobody will kill you. Who? He or she?
I don't want to die. Please help me. I don't want to die.
I will help you. Only if you can tell me the truth.
I doubt if your father is still going to do business with me.
How do you mean?
The way he sounded seems he don't trust me.
But you shouldn't have told him to pay before service.
I ran out of cash for the process of the shipping and the custom duties. Do you know what? I'll offer you 30% instead of the 20% we agreed on.
30%?
Yes. Just help me convince him. You're not talking.
But Brown, what if you don't keep to your words? What if you disappoint me?
I'm a cool guy. And besides, I don't joke with my business. So trust me. Hello, you're not talking.
30% sounds interesting and enticing. I'm in. Deal. Not to worry. I will convince my dad.
Yes, that's my friend. Thank you so much.
30%. You're such a good businessman. Don't worry, he's my father. You know, I know his antidotes.
Mom, Kelvin needs to be cautioned. I had a terrible dream about him last night.
And who will caution him? Who does he listen to? You remember what happened the day he brought that useless girl into this house? Honey, you're welcome.
Open door.
Anywhere I see that boy, I'll get him arrested.
Who?
That criminal son of yours. Yes, the secretary confessed that he was the one that broke into my office and carted away my money.
And you believed her?
Doubting Thomas. You are still doubting, knowing fully who your son is.
But why has the secretary been silent all this while?
Oh, because the young girl was afraid. The criminal threatened her that if she ever disclosed his name, she would be killed. Oh, woman, call that criminal to return my money. Else, I will disown him and hand him over to police for prosecution.
So that girl has been arrested for what she did not do? Why is Kevin like this?
Don't condemn him. Do not condemn him. Let us hear from him first.
Mom!
Shut up. Do not argue with me.
Otaba! Otaba! Come.
Wait now,
See, Otaba. I don't know what's happening. I don't know what's happening. But as I go inside, I see Oga dey cry. They cry like baby. You know what's happening? Abi Oga madam don't beat am. Eh?
Which kind of nonsense mumu question be this one? Eh? You know they see? Abi dem fence your eyes. Huh? How you go think say in your mind, in your wildest dream, say madam, Ochaka Omaka, Oflawe mad, Mengo can be able to beat up Oga. How you go think so? How?
Why they talk like this? You know say small thing like this, they pepper madam for body, her body to the hot. So you go tell me say, as madam dey so she you no go fit beat Oga. Wetin they talk? Wetin you dey talk this man?
My friend, go and stand up. Go and stand up. You no deserve to sit down at all. Shut up. Go and stand up. Huh? Sitting down is a waste of time for you. Go and stand up. Now Oga mama ain't don't die. Now waiting they make Oga cry.
Hey! You two they lie. I know you right from time. Otaba! Okay, you dey tell me say me where did this house? I don't know say Oga mama don't die. You two they lie. Radio without battery. Telephone without wire. You two they talk. I don't even know why man would they talk like woman. Eh?
Hell! Otaba, you have eaten shit. You really go and say. Me? And you're even opening this your mouth to shout my name. Otaba! Go on, come. Make it no be like say this teeth where me and you they always they open, they laugh together. Don't give you the mind to insult me. Remember, I want not panic at me there. No, you did not insult me now. Huh? Because of this thing you have. Now what thing make you think say you can come in my duty post to insult me? Remember, no, let us be clear. I am very, very certain that you are not insulting me.
I bet shift. I don't get your time. Mama.
If not because, come, look at this girl. Let me tell you. You see this thing in your back? Eh? Oh, yeah, that Allah, it must fall down. It's not Ike, let me touch it. Can feel it. Ma bachalogi pipe, oh yeah, bacha. Ana blong bachalogi pipe. Get on your bacha. Anu pama. No, this girl. Hey, you get locked. Say I am. I am. Okay, me somebody crying for somebody that died. Yeah, I am somebody. Oh, morning. Yes, Dalu. Morning, no. I am just mourning for Oga. Hey, what can she make me do when me just say even that for? That's oh, when you want to.
That you're so wicked. Why you kill my Oga Madam? I want them. I want the job.
I am here to thank you for contributing to Mama's death.
What happens to Mama?
You're asking me. Mama is dead.
So my father was the old man who Taba told me about, and Adora did not want to talk about his visit when I asked her. She was the one that picked my call that day. Vera called, and since then she switched off my phone and seized it. Adora, why are you this wicked? My mother.
I will go to the city, make money, come and marry you. And one love more. This is my promise. I will go to the city, make money, come and marry you. And one love more. This is my promise. I will go to the city, make money, come and marry you. And one love more. This is my promise. I will go to the city, make money, come and marry you. And one love more. This is my promise. My promise. My promise. Love more. Love more. This is my promise. If I don't give my love more. For better, for worse. My promise.
I love your sense of humor.
Thank you so much. But you know you can from me.
Welcome. Thank you. Fine, you win. You win.
Wow.
I surrender. Thank you. Courtesy of my father. Thank you. Courtesy of my father.
Thank you. Where's my phone? You've succeeded in killing my mother. Now, can I have my phone?
Collins, we have a guest. Please. We have a guest.
I don't know, can I have my phone now? Can I have my phone? My father came here to see me. You pushed him out. He came to tell me about my mother's sickness. You didn't allow him. And you hid the visit from me. Now my mother is dead because you seized my phone. It was your fault. Can I have the phone now?
Collins, you've been drinking, okay? Calm down. Calm down. I have a guest. This is embarrassing.
I do not want to repeat myself. Adora, I do not want to repeat myself. Can I have my phone now?
Collins,
do not come close to me. Adora. Can I have my phone now, Adora?
I'm going to call my father now, and you know what exactly he would do to you.
Go ahead and call your father. You're not going to enter this house until you give me my phone.
No. I see he's drunk. But I'll call my father to sort everything out.
Go ahead and call your father!
Collins!
Call him!
Collins! Daddy, pick up your call. I'm sorry for the embarrassment.
But the question I keep asking myself is how you end up with that business investment.
Brown, it is a long story, and today is not the day to talk about it. Please.
You just have to be careful. That guy seems like a killer.
He will do no such thing. He doesn't have the balls. I have my reasons for giving him back his phone. His wretched parents thought they would milk my father dry, but I said no. I stood my grounds. Leeches.
It's okay. I'll call you when I get home. I will always keep in touch with you, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And do have a nice day.
And you too. Take
I'm
care.
sorry once again.
It's okay.
Remember they say only the end just fine. Miss you. You can run, but you can't hide away. You can run, but you can't hide away. You might have forgotten so fast, but you can't change the nature. Ooh. That's right, you're treading on will lead you to destruction. So be wise, make haste while the sun shines. A word is enough for the wise. I'm willing to know, I'm willing to know. Try to make peace with your past life. So my dear, try your future will be bright. Try to make peace with your past life. So my dear, your future will be bright. Try to make peace with your past life. So my dear, your future will be bright. Try to make peace with your past life. So my dear, your future will be bright. Try to make peace with your past life. So my dear, try your future will be bright. Try to make peace with your past life. So my dear, your future will be bright. Try to make peace with your past life. So my dear.
You see, my son, I have forgiven you for all that has happened. Having heard how everything started, all these things are being caused by your wife. I urge you now, go inside and have some rest. You have been like this since afternoon. Go in and have some rest, Biko.
Papa, I don't deserve forgiveness.
Hi.
My mother died out of my stupidity. I can't imagine the pains she passed through before she died. She might be thinking that her only son abandoned her. Eh? She died without hearing my explanation. Eh?
It's okay. What has happened has happened. On will go, and on will go. We can't do anything again to bring her back.
My mother died out of my wife's wickedness. Adora. Muna gimecha ihe. Eh? Just wait for me. Just wait for me.
Please, my son, Pico. Don't do anything funny. You know how influential her father is.
But I do not care. Don't care at all. They are wicked. They are heartless. My mother died because of this.
I don't want.
Mama?
Hi.
Mama Beacon. Mama Boy, Mama, forgive me, please. Can't go no one in here for now. Go be here. Don't care about nonsense.
The idiot isn't picking my calls. He can't possibly tell me he hasn't been with his phone all day. That excuse will not fly. Amara! Amara! Come here. If my husband doesn't come home tonight, and he eventually comes home the next day, do not open the door for him. Am I understood?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't think you understand what I'm saying. Let me repeat myself. I said, if my husband does not return tonight, and he returns home the next day, do not open my door for him.
Yes, ma'am.
Fetch me Otaba.
Okay, ma'am.
Madam, you called me.
Do you love your job?
Hey, one name. Madam, why wouldn't I love my job? If I have offended you, please forgive me.
My friend, stop being dramatic. Listen to me. Do not open the gate for my husband if he does not return tonight. Is it clear?
Madam, I don't understand this one. No. I don't understand at all.
Now let me make it clear for you. If my husband does not return tonight and returns home the next day, do not open the gate for him.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Who?
Collins.
Who is Collins?
Mama, Collins, the one you know.
So what is he doing here?
I don't know.
Nne, how are you? Morning.
We are fine.
Mama Kwan.
She's coming.
Okay, she's around there. Oh, Mama, good morning. Hello, Mama. Hey!
What are you doing here? After killing my daughter? Eh? You still have the gut to enter my house? My friend, leave here! You are still looking at me.
Bona! Gate man.
I say leave! Before I break your head. I say leave here.
Remember they say only the end. Just fine.
I'll never come back.
You can run, but you can't hide away. You can run, but you can't hide away. You might have forgotten.
Go out there and tell that criminal son of yours to leave my house immediately before I get the police involved.
I've warned him severally that I don't want to see him again in my house. So what is he still doing here?
Honey, there is no way I can tell our son to leave the house.
He is not my son. A criminal cannot be my son. Tell him to get out.
Please calm down.
Stop telling me to calm down. Do you know how much I've lost because of this useless boy? Tell him to get out of my house now.
Hey, old man, I heard you. I heard you loud and clear. You want me to leave your house. Let me ask you something, old man. Am I your son? No. Are you my father? What is going on? Why do you want me to leave your house? Why?
Kelvin.
Mom.
Kelvin, how dare you talk to your father like that?
No, let him tell me. Let my father tell me if I am his biological son, because from all indication, this man is saying nonsense. Listen, old man, I am not going anywhere. This is my property. This is my house. This is my fucking freaking inheritance. If anybody has to go, then he should leave. He should leave this place and stop stressing me. Nobody should stress me, Mom.
Oh, stop talking to your father like that.
You can't do anything. My guys in Ohio, they are waiting for me. You can't do anything. America is calling me. You can't do anything. Try me. I'm not going anywhere. I will sell this house, sell everybody. Nobody should mention my name again. That's the last time I will say it.
Obi, I'm talking to Vera! What is it, Vera? Why are you calling me? Why not just go your way and leave me alone? You people have succeeded in killing my only sister. What else do you want?
Whatever has happened. We cannot continue to live in the past.
Vera, God punish you. God punish you for saying this. In fact, you will experience the same treatment your family gave to my late sister.
It's not my fault.
Nonsense.
It's not my fault now. Obi. Obi.
Otaba, open this gate.
Who be that? Oga, na you?
Otaba, that's me. Open the gate.
Oga, I beg, make you no vex. So, Madam talk say make I no open this gate.
My friend, stop that rubbish and open this gate. What kind of nonsense is that? Open the gate.
Oga, make you no dey vex, I beg. Na Madam Madam talk say if I open this gate, say she go sack me. And I don't want to come up for this place. I don't want to lose my job.
For what reason? What's the meaning of that rubbish now?
I don't know. Na Madam, na she
My friend, hey, listen. If I dare enter this place, you will not find it funny with me. Open this gate now.
Oga, beg, no vex. No vex. Make you no dey vex for me. No be me, oh. Yeah. It's not me. If I open, Madam talk says, make if I open this gate, say I don't go only lose my job.
My friend, open this gate and stop talking rubbish. Open this gate now. I will not say it again. I won't repeat myself again.
I beg, make you call Madam for phone. Tell her say you don't come back. I beg, make you no vex. It's not by my power. If it is by my power, I will not open the gate now. Am I mad to keep you outside? Hey, I am finished.
Yeah.
Utaba, who is that dog?
Madam.
What is it? Who is disturbing the whole neighborhood?
Madam, no be dog now. Oga don't come back. He thought say make I open the gate for him. And I say I don't go open that.
If you dare open that gate for him, consider your job gone. Hey! Tell him to go back to wherever he's coming from.
Okay. I don't go open the gate. Oga, you don't hear him.
Don't try me. Don't open that gate.
I'm not going to open them at the
Promise,
place.
go back to wherever you're coming from. Go back to that your mistress.
Oga, you don't hear them. You hear them? Madam, don't say make you they go where you come from.
I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. I can move. I'm not going anywhere. Hey, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Leave me alone.
Then I'll shoot your leg.
You shoot my leg. Father! Father! You had the guts to call the cops on me, right? No problem. I will report you to the Interpol. Leave me alone.
Then I'll shoot your leg. I said move.
I am not going anywhere.
Move, my friend, move.
If I come back, I will burn down this house. It's a promise. I will come back for you all.
Move. You come back to do what?
I will come back to this house.
Please, take it, honey. This is
Can you just
unfair.
let me be?
This is so unfair. We can settle this. We can settle this, honey. We can settle this.
Shut up, you're a common criminal. Follow them. Officer, take him away.
Move. Father, you call the cops on me. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere.
Listen,
Father,
listen.
you call the cops on me. I will report you and these cops to the Interpol. Don't you know I'm a citizen of America?
Move.
I'm a citizen of America.
Officer.
Or why you precisely?
Officer, take it easy.
Get my phone.
Get out of here,
Get my phone. Call the 911. Call 911. Get my phone. You can't watch them move an Ohio citizen out. Move. I am not going anywhere. This is my father's house. What is Colos? Get my phone. I am not going anywhere.
Sir, I will shoot you.
You want to shoot me?
Officer, don't
I will
shoot.
call the Interpol.
Officer, don't shoot.
Father, you watch me.
Honey, this is so unfair. Honey, this is so unfair.
I will come back for you.
Officer.
I can't go anywhere. Mom, you can't let them move me. I'm an American citizen. Ohio, precisely.
Officer, honey.
Get my phone. Call 911.
Honey, do something. This is unfair. This is unfair. Officer.
I'm not going anywhere.
Get out of here, my friend.
Dad, they have disciplined me.
Get out of here.
Disciplined me. Oh, God.
To get back to this side.
No, I'm going with you guys.
Now carry your Gakulo.
Pick your calls. How did these idiots manage to get into my compound? Where did he keep his phone? What are you doing here? And how did you get into my compound?
I've had it up to here. Do you understand that? I've had it up to here.
Get out before I call the police.
My mother died out of your wickedness. Yet, you have no remorse of what you did. What kind of human being are you?
Really? Really? You cannot blame me for your inability to take up your responsibility. No, you cannot. If your mother is dead, then it is a prize for raising an irresponsible son like you.
Oh, what a useless family. No wonder your father gave you out, enticed me with his wealth, so I can marry off a useless daughter like you out of that useless family. Useless people. Ndala.
How dare you? My father made you who you are today. And I will slap you again if you don't.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, my dear. You are welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Please sit.
Thank you.
My dear, you're welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
My daughter has told me a lot about you.
Really? What have you been telling me?
How naughty you have been.
Please go and get something from Mr. Brown.
No,
It's
Mama.
fine.
No, I don't want anything. I'm fine. I don't feel like taking it.
Says who? My friend. Mom, not to worry. I know his usual.